Well, that was creepy, wasn't it? All right. So this one, it's one of the activities. We're going to see how stuff dissolves and picking stuff that's ionic. So got this little packet of iodized salt. And as a little side note, so salt is, when you get salt that you can eat, is just sodium chloride. They've thrown a little bit of iodine in here. Um, Iodized salt probably has saved as many lives as anything I can think about. You need iodine for your thyroid, and there are lots of parts of the world where iodine is hard to get. And there are a lot of people who had underactive thyroids, and it was a big cause of learning disabilities. It's a major chemical for helping people have normal brain development. And so putting iodine in salt was a simple health measure, one of the most effective public health measures the last 150, 200 years. So anyway, gonna put a little bit of iodized salt in test tube like that. Not much. Jason. And I'm going to use a little bit of water to cover it. And that's not all that much water, but if you think about it, if you look at that, it's a lot of it's gone already. If you see that, there's a little bit floating around in there. But that's dissolved. Okay? Gone and gone. Now, what I got here, and those of you who had me for chemistry last year know that we played with this on a couple of occasions. Copper sulfate, it is an ionic substance. It's this. Where did it go? Not showing it very well, dadgummit. Really pretty blue crystal. It's kind of like a little bit more deeper than a baby blue. Okay, there's not that much in there. But I want people to understand that just because things are ionic doesn't mean that everything dissolves great. A lot of things that are ionic dissolve. A lot of things that are ionic dissolve very well. Copper would dissolve into copper 2 plus and sulfate into SO4 2 minus here. Just because it's an ionic substance doesn't mean it always dissolves, or if it dissolves, and this will dissolve, doesn't always mean that it dissolves very quickly. When it does dissolve, this solution turns a really pretty blue color. You guys know that when we did flame tests, we used these a lot and turned the flames a very nice color. But it's going to take a while. And again, we could get this to dissolve, but you can see the difference between what the sodium chloride, even with a little bit of iodine, will do and what this will do. Okay?